Well guys, I got some good news and some bad news. The good news is there's station work going on for Flash. The bad news is we're probably not getting a turntable. So you can definitely see, looking out here from outside the park entrance, a lot of station work is going on this week, which is great to see because we really haven't seen much going on now that Flash has officially been pushed back to 2025. But it's nice to see that they're still working away. Hopefully we do get a preview day in December, but I really don't think that's likely. Park hours today are 10:30 to 9. Let's head back to Flash because since my last construction update, they've opened up the walkway back to Metropolis. It's great being to walk back here towards Metropolis again and not have to do some backtracking all the way back towards Batman. Really just helps. And I'll tell you, this pathway with Flash going over everything really does look amazing. It looks like they've been doing a lot of landscaping down here. You can see these floors are grouted. They're doing a little bit of work today, I guess, on the electrical shed. So, really great to see. There's a guy in there today. It's nice to see that they're still working on this, even though the coaster's now delayed to 2025. So, they're trying to, looks like they're trying to get it open for opening day 2025. You can see more of the work being done over there on the station. Great to see that finally going up. So unfortunately, again, this week's sideboard is not open, but if you watched my vlog last week, you saw that Wonder Woman has now reopened again. And this week, actually, Sawmill Log Flume is back open. So at least existing rides are starting to reopen at Six Flags Great Adventure. Looks like the park is also starting to get ready for Fright Fest Extreme, so pretty exciting. Was running really fast today. I actually did see Sawmill Log Flume testing, so I think we might head over there if it's not ready wherever my mind's ran. Medusa looks like it has a long line, so I might hold off on that. But yeah, if we can get a ride on Sawmill Log Flume, that would be awesome. Alright guys, we're starting to let people on. It's great being back in the Skew once again. Let's go have a ride on Sawmill Log Flume. Waited about 2 hours just for Sawmill Log Flume to break. Lovely. So it does look like people have gone home for the day. It's just incredible how we can get this up close to it now. This, guys, we got people from Vacoma here today. Awesome. It looks like they're trying to map out the layout for Park 6, which is going to be the new Arboretum. So this should be a really nice area. It really is going to add a nice touch. A little bit more noisy now that we got Flash here, but it should still be a really picturesque area here at Six Flags Great Adventure. I'm happy that they were able to put back in another Arboretum. But anyways, guys, this is going to do it from this week's Flash Vertical Velocity construction update. I'm glad I finally get to wrap up my construction update. It's literally pretty much standing on the construction site for Flash now. But anyways, guys, if you like this construction update, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PANJ Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.